See, this little guy is Tucker. He was the preemie when all 5 of the babies was born. He's kind of camera shy. He's not too sociable. No, he's not too social. He's got fists. He's a lovey boy. I know he's a lovey boy. He is. He's a lovey boy. That is the Tucker man. Tucker. Yes. He was no bigger than his head when he came out. He wasn't that tiny. So he was a potato. He was a potato. And your brother Sai. Yeah. You know you're gonna make your brother mad. You'll make your brother mad. Simon. Sai. What you doing? Sai.
Ouch.
Is that it? Uh-oh. What are you doing? I'm gonna whip some biscuits. That it? Let me get a close-up of this beautiful baby. Ooh. And close-up. Say thank you. Thanks. Like and subscribe.